You need to discover the magic of making your own lip color. Forget sticky lip glosses and drying lipsticks. This DIY lip paint is the perfect mix of hydration, shine, and natural color. It enhances your lips' natural beauty while nourishing them with pure, skin-loving ingredients. Let's whip up this DIY lip treatment together. Hey friends, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth, and today we're crafting something extra special. This Wild Berry Kiss lip paint. This lip oil meets lip gloss hybrid, is lightweight, super hydrating, and gives your lips a subtle berry kiss glow. It's free from toxins and packed with nourishing ingredients, making it perfect for everyday lip essentials. At Simply Earth, we believe that clean beauty should be easy and fun. With the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get all the key ingredients delivered straight to your door so you can DIY without the guesswork. Plus, when you subscribe, you'll receive a free big bonus box filled with supplies to help you start your DIY journey. You can grab everything for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Most lip glosses are filled with synthetic dyes, artificial fragrances, and questionable preservatives that can leave your lips dry and irritated. But when you make your own, you can control the ingredients. Just pure, natural oils that hydrate, nourish, and enhance your lips. So grab your box and clear your mind, because making natural recipes is not just fun, it's self-care. Let's create this simple, nourishing Wild Berry Kiss lip paint together and give your lips the TLC that they crave. Here's what you'll need to bring this recipe to life. From your big bonus box, you'll want 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil. This oil deeply nourishes and softens your lips. From your recipe box, you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of our DIY mineral makeup base. This gives the lip paint a smooth, even texture. You'll need 1 smidgen or 1/32 teaspoon of fuchsia mica powder. This adds a gorgeous berry tint. You'll also need 1 smidgen or a 1/32 teaspoon of red iron oxide. This deepens the color for a warm, rosy hue. For the essential oils, you'll need 1 drop of grapefruit. This adds a refreshing, uplifting scent. 1 drop of cedarwood Himalayan essential oil. This is also soothing and skin loving. From your home, you'll need a lip gloss tube or a prism serum bottle. If you want a prism serum bottle, you can order our glass bottle set on our website. These are containers for easy application. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to mix the oils in a small measuring cup. Combine the almond oil and the essential oils and stir really well. Add the mineral makeup base, fuchsia mica powder, and iron oxide to the oil mixture. Stir until the pigment is fully blended and smooth. You want to make sure that you don't have any clumps during this process. Carefully pour the mixture into your lip gloss tube or your prism serum bottle. Let it settle and you're all set. Want a glossier finish? Swap out the almond oil for castor oil. It sits on the lips longer and adds extra shine. Prefer a bolder color? Add a tiny bit more of the red iron oxide for a deeper berry tone. Are you looking for shimmer? A pinch of gold or pearl mica powder will give a subtle, luminous effect. You want to apply the Wild Berry Kiss paint directly to your lips for a subtle shine, natural color, and deep hydration. Perfect for everyday wear and easy to reapply throughout the day. All right, moment of truth. Let's apply it. Look at that silky shine and perfect berry tint. See how easy that was? If I can make this Wild Berry Kiss lip paint, you can too. Once you start DIYing your beauty products, there's no going back.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
And if you love this, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box for more natural DIY beauty recipes. Want more DIY beauty inspo? Stick around and check out the next videos on your screen. Thanks for watching.